The Tianyong-1 space station. And the reason I'm asking about it is because it's going to be crashing into the Earth late this year, early next year. So it was China's sort of test space station. It's small, so Skylab was much bigger, if you remember Skylab crashing to the Earth back in the 70s. But we don't know where it's going to land. So how do you feel about sort of this 8.5-ton projectile coming down on the planet at some point in the near future? Cloak or dagger?
Wow.
Right, I get deep on these things.
I know. I mean, I see that, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we were just talking about coffee, and now we're talking about space stations. So I think that, like, it's weird that I have mixed emotions about this, right? Because on some level, you should be like, well, dagger, like, I don't want the thing to hurt.
Falling.
So let me just put that right out there. I don't know if you have children listening to the show. Like, I don't want.
Children are a big demographic for me.
Huge, right?
Yeah,
and so, I don't want them to be crushed and mutilated by a satellite that crashes in, or a space station that crashes on top of them.
Right.
That would be terrifying for them to think about. Like, I don't want them thinking about that now if they're listening.
Think about
Don't think
anything.
about that. It probably won't happen.
Just space stations. Like, there's literally millions of other things that can crash into and hurt them in some way.
Yeah.
So,
but I do. Actually, I'm going to stay with dagger, and the other reason why I kind of want to dagger this is the children. It's for the children, right? We've covered that. Everything is, and then B, I'm going to dagger it because there will be nonstop media coverage about it, and then ultimately it'll just burn up in the atmosphere and everybody will be fine.
Oh, yeah. Where's it going to land?
Right, and they're going to convince all of those poor kids that, like, they're in danger, and they're not.
We should just go ahead and create some graphics and some music for it, though, for the news station.
I love that. Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, a little jingle. It's
maybe in the next bit we'll work on it.
Tianyong, crashing down. This is the song. Tianyong 1, because it's actually Tianyong 1.
Oh, yeah.
I'm also not sure if I'm pronouncing that right.
It's catchy, though.
Yeah,
it is catchy.
I'm going to do jingles.
There's something to that music. You should really stay with that.
Okay. Yeah, let's think about that.